I have the pleasure of welcoming Dr. Jaskiran Chima today, rank 89 AIPG Dental Entrance Exam 2015. Congratulations on your wonderful performance, Dr. Jaskiran. Jaskiran is our student for DAMS Dental Coaching Quest, and we are really proud of her achievement. How are you feeling, Jaskiran, today?
Good morning, everybody. I feel proud that I am a part of DAMS. First of all, I wish to say this. I have prepared, gone through many situations, but I felt DAMS have helped me in every situation. Whenever I felt demotivated, they've always motivated us.
Well, that's very nice of you, including DAMS, giving the credit to DAMS for the entire hard work that you have put in. But let me be very precise in asking you that how did DAMS help you in your achievement?
So while preparing, I feel like there's a situations when you feel you can't do it, and sometimes you feel you can do it. And when a student comes to a situation that he feels demotivated, that is the time when you need somebody to push you up to achieve whatever you wish to. तो आई फील कि डैम्स ने हमेशा हेल्प किया व्हेन वी फील कि हम अब नहीं कर पाएंगे. दे हैव ऑलवेज पुश्ड अस कि करो, यू कैन डू इट एंड यू आर केपेबल ऑफ इट.
तो डॉक्टर जसकिरण, मुझे एक बात है कि यहाँ पर बताइए, जैसे आप कह रहे हैं कि देयर आर टाइम्स व्हेन यू फील सम मोटिवेशन टू बी गिवन, किस तरह से डैम्स ने उस मोटिवेशन आपको प्रोवाइड करने में हेल्प किया था?
सो there are so many tests which I have given. Sometimes I feel कि इस टेस्ट में मैंने अच्छा परफॉर्म नहीं किया, and these are my shortcomings. तो I felt कि in every shortcomings they've helped कि इसको आप कैसे overcome कर सकते हो, आप इसमें कैसे अपनी मास्टर्स, अपनी मास्टरी अचीव कर सकते हो.
ओके, तो आपका कहने का मतलब है कि द एंटायर करिकुलम जो डैम्स में प्रोवाइड होता है उससे आपको काफी मदद हुई, and faculties were always available to your help.
Yes, sir.
That's great, and that's wonderful to have known that. We all know that DAMS is very active on the online media. A few words about the DAMS online achievement, like the DAMS exclusive club or the test series and the CBT exams that we conduct. Did they help you?
Yes, sir, of course. Every step they took, like exclusive club, CBT exam, and every online tests, these all helped us.
तो CBT एग्जाम्स में किस तरह से आपकी मदद हो गई?
सर, इट हेल्प्स अस कि आप अगर गलती करते हो फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में, आप डायरेक्टली मेन एग्जाम में गलती करोगे तो दैट विल बी अ वेरी डीमोटिवेटिंग. तो इट हेल्प्स कि आपको ये गलती दोबारा से नहीं करनी. दिस हेल्प्स अस अ लॉट, क्योंकि एज वी नो इट इज सो मच ऑफ कॉम्पिटिशन. तो एक गलती हमें काफी मुश्किल में डाल सकती है. तो फॉर दैट आई मस्ट से कि इट हेल्प्स अस टू नो आवर शॉर्टकमिंग्स while giving exam. Sometimes we feel nervous and we make our questions which we already know, that we make mistakes in that. It has helped us to stop making mistakes.
So what I can gather with the inputs that you have given me, that these CBT exams have helped you, to give a real feel of the actual examination hall and have prevented you to make silly mistakes in the actual exams?
Yes, sir. Definitely.
Well, that's the feedback what we get from all our students all over India. And let me tell my listeners that we are talking to Dr. Jaskiran Chima, rank 89 AIPG Dental Entrance Exam 2015. Taking this conversation to the next level, let me ask you, what every student would like to know. How did you prepare for your examinations?
First of all, when I started my preparation, there was a big thing कि आपने basic subjects बहुत पहले पढ़े होते हैं, approximately 2 to 3 years back. आप वो भूल जाते हो, obviously, and we keep on focusing on our dental subjects later on in the 4th and 5th years. So I felt like कि पहले I should revise all my basic subjects before doing any of the MCQs books. I thought कि मुझे अपनी theory strong बनानी होगी. For that, DAMS helped us. I studied the basic books which helps us, which my seniors have guided me कि ये सारी books पढ़नी है. These are very essential to study. तो उनको पढ़ा. फिर then आई फेल्ट के टेस्ट्स देने बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट हैं, बिकॉज विदाउट गिविंग टेस्ट यू डोंट कम टू नो कि ये आपको नहीं आता, दिस सब्जेक्ट ऑफ योर्स इज वीक. एंड as you keep on giving tests, doing MCQs, your revision keeps going on. It helps a lot. But before that, I think you should keep your concepts strong. For that, you have to study theory.
That's wonderful. One very important aspect in preparing for a tough exam like AAPG dental entrance exam is the time management thing. Students would spend time, unknowingly, wasting it to such an extent that when the actual examination time comes, they are either half ready or, they have been spending time unnecessarily reading those things which are not relevant. So kindly tell us a little bit about the time management that you focused upon in your preparation.
When you start preparation, when I started preparation, I thought every subject is important. I gave equal time to all my subjects. But eventually, when you keep on giving tests and when you keep on revising subjects or doing MCQs, you'll come to know where you're going wrong, which subjects you are weak. So in that subjects, you have to give your extra efforts. I gave my extra efforts in some of my subjects which were weak, in which I repeatedly made mistakes. And there's a thing, you can't study everything. There are so many books, so many authors, but we have to be focused. What is being asked, what is being repeatedly asked, that we have to revise again and again. And the most important, what I feel in the preparation, is not to study much, but to revise and keep on revising again and again.
So how much time did you keep for yourself for revising in the end? I mean, how many months were there, for revision? Do you think is enough for preparing in AIPG DEE?
Actually, after giving AIMS, that is in November, I felt like if I keep on studying extra books, that will not help me. Some of the teachers guided me, it's better to revise and revise. And I felt teachers have guided me the best, and seniors also. They've told that you keep on revising whatever you have studied. New topics can be studied, it may help, but the thing you have studied for 8 to 10 months, if you keep on revising that, it will definitely help you.
That's very nice to know, Dr. Jaskiran. That was very precisely and nicely answered. And another thing I would like to know, that in the entire regime of curriculum that you have taken at DAMS, how was the evaluation done during your preparation? How was the regime helpful to you?
It's been very helpful as and when I gave my exam, like a test. Oh, sorry.
Well, let me ask you this thing again, that in the entire regime curriculum that you have taken at DAMS for your preparation for AIPG dental entrance exam, how did the evaluation during the process help you? The DAMS regime, how did it help you in evaluating yourself during the preparation?
So when we prepare, we study a subject thoroughly. It gives a feel that we know everything. But when you give test, you feel like you've studied this yesterday, but you can't give the correct answer right now. So you will come to know your shortcomings, where you are lacking, what part of the material you have studied is not being captured in your mind, and which is likely that they make this mistake in the exam. So when you come to that point, you can give extra effort to that part which is weak of yours. So that helps a lot, because every student studies everything. Matlab, one who is preparing for AIPG, he'll cover everything. But the only thing is what you can't remember for a long time. And that when you come to know that this part is weak, you can revise it again and again. Everything can't be revised for so much time. When you come to know that this part you have to revise and again, you can make your revision efficient and increase its frequency also.
So you have been discussing this before this interview also, that the tests that we take at DAMS helped you a lot. So yes, I think you're trying to say that the tests help you to evaluate where do you stand at a particular
Yes.
moment of time in a particular subject. Is
Yes.
that true?
Yes, sir.
That's very fine. And let me just ask you here that which teachers influenced you most in dams?
So I would like to say every dance teacher have helped me a lot. I would like to mention one thing. Okay, Dams Exclusive Club, which is on Facebook. Whenever a student puts a question over there, I felt कि instant reply आता है. मतलब अगर आंसर नहीं मिला, there are so many controversial questions, but they instantly, when you feel कि at least they are making so much of effort, मतलब they are always online, हमेशा हेल्प करने के लिए रेडी रहते हैं. तो स्टूडेंट फील, अगर आपको आंसर नहीं मिला तो यू फील सो मोटिवेटेड कि यू आर समथिंग फॉर देम. फॉर अ कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट, लाइक दे हैव ऑलवेज thought कि every member of the coaching institute, every student is like their family.
That's very nice, and that's what DAMS has been doing. You know, every student is important to us. Your problem is DAMS' problem, and we are very much there to help you. Let me just remind my listeners here, we're talking to Dr. Jaskiran Cheema, AIPG Dental Entrance Exam 2015, rank 89. Now, moving ahead, let me just ask you, which branch are you going to opt now?
So most probably I'll opt pedo.
Okay, that's very nice. And let me tell all the listeners once again that a very good doctor is about to come in the market very soon doing her PG, and definitely public at large will be benefited by her presence. Any message for the future Damsonians, Dr. Jaskiran here?
I would like to say this, कि the students who've joined DAMS, it is very nice. You've taken a very good step in the beginning of your preparation, and I will also would say to those students who are confused कि which coaching, which test series they should join, I would suggest them to not to waste their time, just join DAMS, either test series or other courses. It will definitely help you.
Well, thank you very much, Dr. Jaskiran Cheema, AIPG Dental Entrance Exam, rank 89 for the year 2015. We wish you all the best in life, and we wish you all success in your future endeavors. Thank you very much.
Thank you.